पाटो पणजी हांगा आशिल्ल्या श्रमशक्ती भवन इमारतींतली लिफ्ट बंद आशिल्ल्यान जाणटे तशेंच अपंग लोकांक त्रास जातात. श्रमशक्ती भवन इमारतींत 7 मजले आसात. तशेंच सरकारी कार्यालयां आसात. श्रमशक्ती भवन इमारतींत आशिल्ल्या सरकारी कार्यालयांत अपंग मनीस कामाक आसात. तांकां इमारतीची लिफ्ट बंद आशिल्ल्यान पायरो चडटाना त्रास जातात. कितलेशेच दीस जाले दोनय लिफ्टी बंद आसात. मात संबंदीत खात्याक कांयच पडिल्लें ना. अपंग मनीस आनी जाणट्यांचें पाशेंस सोंपलां. तांणी सरळ बुधवारा जिल्लो अधिकारी कार्यालयांत वचून जिल्लो अधिकाऱ्याक निवेदन दिलां.
We had written to the collector North Goa that the lifts of the Shram Shakti Bhavan were not working. So, and we had requested him to seal the buildings. So today we have met the collectors. We have met the collector on the same issue and to ask him what action he had taken on the matter. So he has promised us to look into the matter with immediate effect and get back to us. As you are aware, the Disability Act 1995 makes it mandatory for buildings to be accessible, which includes functioning of lifts. It is very sad that even after 22 years of the Act, the accessibility of persons with disability is not being taken seriously. The Shram Shakti Bhavan lifts have been giving trouble for the last 1 year. And in spite of media highlighting and lots of people highlighting it, the lifts are still not functioning. Besides persons, the disabled public and elderly people who are facing difficulties in climbing the 7 floors of Shram Shakti Bhavan, there are also many disabled persons who are working in the government offices in the lift. And that is why this non-functioning of lifts is creating a problem. Few weeks back, a disabled person had to stay at home for almost 1 week without pay because the lifts were not functioning. We do not understand why disabled persons should suffer loss of pay because of the apathy of the government. Hence, we have demanded that the collector takes immediate action and resolves the issue at the earliest.
श्रमशक्ती भवनांतली लिफ्ट बंद आसा हें खबर आसा आनी ताची बेगीनाच दुरुस्ती करून चालीक लावपाचें उतर जिल्लो अधिकारी लेविन्स मार्टिन्सान दिलां.
There was a complaint that physically disabled employees and general public are put to hardship as lifts of Shram Shakti Bhavan are not working. So I personally have spoken to the commissioner, Labour Commissioner, and I have asked him to resolve the issue. I am also writing to him. So it will be resolved. Well, I have asked him, I brought it to know, he is aware. Out of the 2 lifts, he said one is operational as of now. So I have asked him to ensure that he puts into, see that the other lift also starts working immediately. He said as the issue is with the PWD, mechanical division, and he is going to take it up at the earliest.